Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing something very simple. Oats Banku. Ghanaians call it Banku. You can call it oats fufu or you can call it oats swallow. As you can see here, I'm having mine with salmon, with some shito and with also some pepper. Okay, it's delicious and it's healthy. Okay, so this is a healthy way of making Banku, all right, or making fufu. You can have it also with ogbono, or you can have it with okra stew or okra soup. You can have it whatever that you want to have it with. It's delicious. Come along with me and let's do this. It's very healthy and the texture is really good. You can make it to any texture of your choice as well. So guys, come along with me and let's do this. So guys, I'm using traditional oats. Okay, that's what I like using. You can use any other oats of your choice. All right, I love using that. If you live in the UK, this is what I use. You can buy that in Aldi. It's very cheap. Okay, so you can just buy that and it's healthy. So I'm using my smoothie maker. That's what I use to blend my oats. So I normally measure 2 of that. So you can use any measurement of your choice. It depends on how many people you are making it for. Okay, so what I do is I measure 2 of this container and I blend it and I use that. That's what I use all the time. Okay, so as you can see, this is the traditional oats I'm talking about, not the quicker oats one, the traditional one. So I add some water to help with blending. The water helps, it blends it very quickly and it's so easy. All right. So guys, I'm using my beaker. This is what I use because I'm using a microwave and it's very easy. Okay, so I have 2 of that measurement and I add water to it, just the consistency that I prefer. Okay, if you want it very soft, you can make it a bit lighter. If you want it a bit harder, you can just make it much thicker. Okay, so I add some salt to it. And then what I'm going to do, this is what I like it. This is the consistency I prefer. So I'm going to cover this, okay? And then I'm going to put that into the microwave. It's as easy as that. So easy. So just come along with me. Right, I've taken it out of the microwave and I am trying to just knead it a bit, okay? You can check the consistency. I feel that it is a bit harder, so I am going to add some hot water to it. Okay, and then I'll cover it again and then I'll put that into the microwave. So guys, I'm kneading it again, okay, because I've taken it out of the microwave and really this is the consistency that I really like. Okay, it's nice, it's soft. Oh, and it tastes really good. So this is how I like it. Just have a look at it. It's so easy, very easy to make. So that's really it. I'm trying to just mold it to the shape that I prefer. Okay, it's quite easy. So that's my oats swallow done. So guys, this is our oats swallow. It's amazing. Just look at the texture. Is so easy to make as you can see. So yeah, just look at that. So this is what I do. All right, you can make it softer, you can make it harder, you can make it any texture of your choice. All right, I'm having it with salmon and some shito. If you want the recipe for the shito, you can just check my channel. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.